Now question number 4, exercise 13.4. A container opened from the top and made up of metal sheet is in the form of frustum of cone. Height is 16 centimeter and the radius of the lower and upper end is 8 and 20. So 8 and 20. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also find the cost of metal used to make the container if the cost is rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. And we have to use pi is 3.14 here. Okay, so here first here, because to find here second one the cost of metal, so we have to use surface area. That means we need to find L here. L is not given. Okay, so you have to find first L here. So first we'll write here the radius of the upper end is 20 centimeter and the lower end is 8 centimeter and height is 16. So we'll find here L. L equals formula root over r minus r square plus h square. So r is 20 minus 8 square plus 16 square. So it's 12 square plus 16 square. So 12 is 144, 16 is 256. Okay, so 400. So root 400 value is 20 centimeter. Plus or minus, we'll just take only plus only because it's a line height will be only positive only, so we'll take here 20 centimeter. Okay, so first we'll find the capacity of container, that is equal to, we can say, volume of frustum. Okay, so volume of frustum formula is 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r square plus rr. Suppose in your book is given r1 r2 like that, means just to differentiate I'm making capital and small. It will be more easier than to apply. Okay, and now we'll apply the values here. So equal to 1 by 3, pi is given 3.14 and h is 16. Okay, and r is 20 square. R is 20 square and small r is 8 square plus 20 into 8. Okay, so 3.14 into 16 into 400. 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 160. Okay, so 3.14 into 16 into, we'll add all this number, so 400, 560, 624. Okay, divide by 3. So we'll multiply and divide by 3. Okay, so if we multiply, what we'll get here, is it possible we can cut here? 3 2s are 6, 2 1 goes 0, 3 8s are 208. Okay, so now we'll multiply 3.14 into 16 into 208. Okay, so 1044.9.92 centimeter cube will get. Okay, and this one, if you make it change to liter, so you'll divide by 1000. Okay, so we can get 10 point, this won't go 3 times back, say, so 10.44992 liter. So we can just make it approximately 4 because 9 is here, so we can make this one 5, so 4.5 liter. Okay, and the question is given the cost of 1 liter. Cost of 1 liter of milk is given rupees 20, is it? Okay, therefore the cost of 10.45 liter of milk equal to, we can write here 10.45 into rupees 20. Okay, so if you multiply 10 point, multiplying by 10 means point was 2 in 20 means you can just put it 209. So the amount is rupees 209. Okay, so that's the first one. Again we have to find the second one. So the second question, there is we have to find the area of area of metal sheet used to make the container equal to, we can use it, pi r plus r into L plus pi r square. Okay, so pi into capital R is 20, small r is 8, and L we got 20, plus pi into small r is 8 square. So pi into 28 into 20, it is our 64 pi. Okay, 28 into 2 is 56, 560 pi plus 64 pi, so will be 624 pi. Okay, so 624 pi we got centimeters square, all right. So we can just multiply here straightly, or we can just last also we can just, okay, just we can multiply is better. 624 into pi is given 3.14. You have to use the value, pi value is 3.14, so we'll multiply. So 1959.36 centimeters square. Okay, so now the cost of 100, okay, the 100 centimeters square metal sheet is given. How many rupees is given? See the question, it's 8 rupees. Okay, and therefore the cost of 1 centimeter square metal sheet will be, we can just write rupees 8 by 100. Okay, 8 by 100. And now we are going to find therefore the cost of 1959.36 centimeter square metal sheet equal to, we can just write rupees 8 by 100 into 1959.36. okay, we can just multiply this one. So you multiply this two, first you multiply this by 8 and divide by 100, so we'll get the answer. Okay, so 15674.88 by 100. So if we divide by 100, point will come 1567488 rupees. So we can just change it this one, 15674 can make it, here 8 is here, I will just make it 5 here, so 156.75. okay, therefore we can say the answer with the two answers. Okay, the first one, therefore the cost of milk, okay, the cost of milk can completely fill the container, so you can just write it, the cost of milk will be rupees, we got 209, and the cost of metal sheet we got 150 rupees, 156.75. okay.